Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what I can confidently call the best cordless circular saw with a brushless motor. The SKIL 20V Brushless 6-1/2 inch cordless compact circular saw kit. If you're searching for a compact yet powerful tool that can handle serious wood cutting tasks without the hassle of cords, this might be exactly what you need. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the complete kit you get. Inside the box, SKIL includes the cordless circular saw itself. A PWR Cord 22.0Ah lithium battery, a standard 20V charger, and an 18-tooth carbide thin kerf blade. Right out of the package, you're ready to go. No need to purchase additional accessories just to get started. The heart of this saw is its brushless motor, which pushes out up to 5,500 RPM. That's a lot of cutting speed packed into a compact design. With the included 2.0Ah battery, you can make up to 105 cuts in standard 2x4 pine on a single charge. That makes it a dependable tool whether you're working on quick home improvement projects or longer sessions on the job site. And since it's powered by SKIL's PWR Cord 20 battery system, you benefit from battery cooling technology that keeps it running longer and extends the overall battery life. Now, one of the standout features for me is the ergonomic design. The blade is positioned to the left, giving you a clear view of your cutting line. That small detail makes a huge difference in precision, especially if you're doing fine cuts or working on projects where accuracy is critical. To enhance that visibility even further, SKIL adds an innovative shadow line system. Instead of relying on laser guides that can get washed out in bright light, this saw uses an LED that casts a shadow right on your cut line, making it easy to follow exactly where the blade is going. Safety and control also get some thoughtful touches here. The saw comes with an electric brake that stops the blade quickly after you release the trigger. That reduces downtime between cuts and, more importantly, adds a layer of safety by preventing the blade from spinning unnecessarily. For a tool that spins at thousands of RPMs, that's a feature worth having. Another strong point is portability. The saw is compact and cordless, so you're not tethered to an outlet or dragging extension cords around your workspace. At the same time, it doesn't feel underpowered like some compact models can. It strikes a solid balance between performance and maneuverability. Honestly, it's versatile enough for DIYers who want professional quality results and for contractors who need a lightweight, reliable secondary saw. If you're already invested in SKIL's PWR Cord 20 system, this adds even more value since the batteries are interchangeable across tools. In terms of price, it usually lists at just under $110, but it often sells for closer to the mid-80 range. Considering it includes the saw, battery, charger, and blade, that's excellent value for what you're getting. To wrap up, the SKIL 20V Brushless 6-1/2 inch cordless compact circular saw kit is a smart buy if you want a compact, durable, and precise cutting tool with the power to handle real projects. From its brushless motor to the shadow line cutting guide and extended battery performance, it's a package designed to make wood cutting easier, faster, and safer. That's why I consider it the best cordless circular saw in its class. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to pick this saw up, we'll leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at tools and products that matter. Until next time, keep building smart.